Alright, what is going on YouTube? Tom here. Promised you all I would get more active on Instagram a while ago. Anyway, I'm about to drive around and go take a few more Instagram pictures. Some of y'all do know that it is one of the things I've been doing this semester is I've been taking a photography class, so I've been trying to get a little bit more into photography. So if it seems like I haven't posted as many videos, that's actually why. It's because I've been really trying to get into that. I personally like to say I've gotten a lot better at photography over this semester. The photography professor's been complimenting a lot of my work. This is actually possibly will be part of the final project for this class, since we only got another week of this semester left. Also, I did finally get a haircut today, so no more looking like Tom Hanks from Castaway, because my hair's been getting a little bit long. But anyway, if you are not following me on Instagram, once again, the link is down below, and also I'll put it on screen for you here. Definitely take a look at that if you want to. I have been trying to grow that more. I've been getting some offers for some of the pictures, some different money being exchanged. So that's hopefully something I'm going to get into soon, is taking money for pictures, actually getting hired to take decent pictures. Anyway, I'm off to go to the first photography location. So I'll see you all when I get there. Alright, made it. Got a nice little corner picked out. Of course, this is once again my pretty common filming location, the undisclosed parking garage, that if anyone's probably from Tampa can probably figure it out. But either way, I'm going to get out and I'm going to start taking a few pictures and see what we can get out of it. So, see you all, get outside the car.
Let's go.
Alright, a few pictures there. We're gonna try at least a couple selfie images. Whew, turn this air on. It's supposed to be November. Boy, you would not know it here. It is still 81 degrees. Whew. Anyway, I got another location that I've seen a few times. I pass by it regularly and finally decided I'm gonna go ahead and try to take a picture there. I've said like months ago this would be a great Instagram spot. So see you all when I get there. Alright, made it to the last location. It looks like the sun is going to start going down soon. It's almost 4 o'clock here. So, unintentionally, I'm about to do golden hour photography, which is actually not a bad thing. So, hopefully these pictures will turn out pretty nice. But, I don't know if you all can see through the window back here. We got, like, this modern mural graffiti art behind me. Which, actually, I've driven by this place several times and said, this would make a really cool little backdrop for an Instagram photo. So, I'm actually going to try that out. This is definitely a place I would love to come back to if someone ever hires me to take pictures, because I think this would be pretty cool. We'll see how this one turns out with this car first. Anyway, I'm about to step outside and we'll see how they turn out. for today. The shadows are starting to get a little long, so I don't know, I might move the car one more time out of the shadows a little bit and try a couple more pictures, but all in all, I think that's not too bad for just a day's worth of work. I think I might try them from this angle here, see kind of what, go through getting some pictures for Instagram. But all in all, I think I'm going to call it with this video, because I think I'm kind of showing you all some of the process. I'll definitely put the edited pictures within the video, but definitely take a look at Instagram if you want to see them up close. I'm for sure pretty proud of where I've come from with the pictures, like how good I can say I've gotten. At least I think I've gotten a lot better. I know the photography professor agrees. It's definitely exciting to see progress, and I like to see what I can do. I push my limits a little bit. I'm good. But anyway, I do have a bit of car mod coming. It's a little appearance mod. I know I promised some exciting mods. This might not be the most exciting for some of you all, but it's definitely something I've been wanting for a little bit. Ran Black Friday deal, so that was my Black Friday haul. Be on the lookout for that. That'll be sometime next week. Anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. Leave a thumbs up. If you are stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. Still got more exciting content coming. 2019, I assure you, is going to be a great year. We got a lot of stuff I want to do with this car. Definitely as this channel grows, though, we'll continue to have some fun. We'll continue to do some exciting stuff with it. Stay tuned for all of that. Anyway, take care. Have a good day.